What's going on, everybody? Now I'm checking Hisense booth, which is a Chinese manufacturer of affordable TV. I talked to the people here, and what they said that makes it special is that they produce everything themselves, which allows them to keep costs low. At the same time, they have really high quality and good quality control. They have under 0.5% return rate of defects. Right, you can see their flagship, which is a modular TV, and this one is 145 inch of modules. The difference is that there is no bezel, so you can see it's all kind of like flat and almost unnoticeable connection between individual modules. Exceptional picture quality. It features their proprietary ULED technology, which utilizes chipsets, image processing algorithm, and dual cell panels in order to achieve best quality of the picture. I can see that image quality looks unbelievable. The contrast level is 5000 to 1. The black it's like true black, pretty much the border at all. Like I don't see any kind of highlights there. And the image looks, I think, better than reality. It's so vibrant. 8K TV has 5000 dimming zones. So they have this panel, as it explained to me, and then they have this kind of like highlights behind it. Another interesting sample of technology from Hisense is this 100-inch 4K UHDR laser TV. So it has this laser box at the bottom, and it can project up to 135-inch panel over here. The picture looks quite nice. It's a bit soft. It's not as sharp looking as on, like, say, ULED panels they sell, but it's fairly nice, and contrast is very good as well. Speaking about full screen display on a smartphone, check what they've got here. They have this prototype phone, which is coming to the market in China this summer. It has no bezel at all, and camera, you can see here, is just built into the screen. It looks very nice, and it's very light. Although I'd say it feels like a plastic thing outside, but it's probably not the most important part of the technology. The most important is this LCD panel, which has camera just looking outside from the screen. I'm not sure if it's going to come to North America at all, but it will probably be the trend of 2019 and what we are going to see in new phones.